Hello, people. Okay, well, today, what? Okay, anyway, today I found this game, Animal Hospital, and yes, I've played it. I tested it out just to see how it was, and I like it. You guys definitely play it sometime. It's an anomaly game, but it's really fun. Whoa. Okay, what? Okay. Well. Okay, we're gonna join a game, bro. Oh no, I don't want anybody to join me. I want to be alone, bro. Okay, work the hospital so you can find out what's really happening. Okay. There's only one player. Why are we waiting? Okay, we're in the game. Your sanity is important. If it reaches 0, you die. I don't like that. You look scary. Hold on. Wait. I can't. I'm here for my appointment. No, I need to check the cameras. Whatever. Oh wait, hold on. This isn't up. I need to hear it. Check in patients. Okay, do it. Okay. Yuki, that's a cute name. Yuki Acorns? That's cute. I'll be in room 1, okay. Okay, I guess I have to follow you then. I'm gonna close this. What, this place gives me the creeps? Girl, me too! So I just have to follow you? Okay. You just shut me in. You want to check in as patient, okay. Hold on. Camera. Or not, okay. You look normal. You look the same. Kaito Smith. Not seeing anything. Room 2, okay. Okay, I'm coming, room 1. You shut the door on me. You don't deserve to live. I'm sorry, that was rude. Are the myths real? Probably, I don't know. I just work here, man. I don't even know. Herbs? Is this herbs? This is herbs. Do I have feet? I can't see my feet. Okay, time for room 2. Hello. Yeah, I hope I just killed you there. I'm sorry, I'm rude to y'all for no reason. You still recovering? We trust our professionals. Stay healthy, stay safe. I have not seen that. Thank you, doctor. Of course, bestie. Kind of hope you died, though. Let's go to eye drops. Alright, stay in here. Stay. The doctor is arriving. No. I closed it on time. And just like, hey. I have a patient recovering. Please don't get mad at me. You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Harlow. I thought you said Dr. Andrew. I'm calling you Dr. Dear. Some advice: if things are strange, just keep working. Okay. I will fix up the shutters and security cameras for you. Thank you, Mr. Okay. Use shutters to check people. Okay. Oh my god, thank you. Of course, I'm the best. I'm literally the only player in the game. Hello, ma'am or sir. What's up? I'm Riku Clouds. Can I check RQ? No service. No service because you had a demon. Hello there. I'm gonna check the cameras. One camera down? Why are they down? I gotta fix that. Hold on, sir or ma'am. Where's the camera? Oh. I can't. God dang it! Got you. Inspect. Sir. Why did it take longer than it needed to? I don't know. I guess you're normal. I don't know. Just go away. Ginger? Yeah, that ginger fan, go away. Okay, go to room 4 then. I'm scared. okay, I actually need to know. Why you look like that? Sophie Wang. What the? I don't know, man. Should I trust you? The lights were flickering. Is that like a sign? I don't know, man. I'm just gonna do my job. I'm just doing my job. He said keep working, so. Alright, take your badge, Sophie. Your badge. Okay, I gotta go check on room 4. Hello, whatever your name is. Your name's Ginger? Hey, Ginger. I'll be right back. Here, I'm gonna open that for you. Yeah. You better love me, Sophie. Is somebody here? Oh, hello. Here for your appointment. Okay. I'm gonna... excuse you! Hurry up! Shut your big mouth! What the heck? I'm not that slow. Literally, I just walked over here. I'm the new hire. You better leave me alone. What's your name? Walter? That's a disgusting name. I'm sorry to all the Walters who watch my videos. If there is any Walters. Yeah, you didn't even deserve to be here. I shouldn't even have helped you. What do you need, man? Process. I'll take your DNA sample. Don't look up. Oh! Like everywhere? Bro, what is that? Yeah, I don't plan to. It ruins my brain. I'm looking over there. I can't walk in there. It's scary. Okay, you can just relax. What do you need? Okay, I'm gonna process results. What do you need? Cough and thermometer? That's Maple. Okay, goodbye. Med kit? Okay then. I can't. I was gonna say I thought I got it. No. Okay, relax. The doctor is arriving. Need to get in my office. Doctor. Doctor. Hello, Doctor, dear. Or Harlow, whatever. I'm opening new facilities for you. Thank you. The supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift. So how long? I have $63. I'm like broke. I don't like the music. Thank you. Excuse you. Oh. Wait, oh. Shock people. Speed boost. Nah. I'm gonna say that. Okay, excuse me. Wait, I didn't check the cameras. Always check the cameras. Wait. Wait, what? There's 2 new rooms? Oh no, I'm gonna get way more patience than I did last time. Oh my god. Is there 5? Oh my god. Don't like you. Don't like you. What you Haru? From X-Love? I'm sorry. Haru? Haru? Kachang? It takes over a minute. Oh my god. This is gonna take me 12 years, dude. Hello. What the? I'm closing my door. Yeah. Clearly. No, thank you. You can go away. Don't like you. What? No service? Yeah. No. If you're a demon, no service. Thank you for. I mean, if he's not doing anything to me, I don't give a crap if he bangs his head on the window. Hello. Can you please leave? I don't care at this point. Yes, I am new at this, Charlene. Whatever your name is, actually. I didn't look at your name. I don't like you. Oh, your name's Daisy. I'm sorry, Daisy. You got room 5? I don't give a crap what you got. Oh my god, no! I just farted. Hello. Dustin. What? Wannabe? I don't like y'all. Crap. Oh my god. I'm sorry, I have $1. And now, can you leave? Oh my god. You broke the window?